The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Morning! Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Markets seem a little wildly choppy. Let's take a look. And good morning, Mr. G. How are you today? So overnight, we sideways dipped, then back up. 41.61 for a low, 41.75 for a high. It's not a real big range there, about 14 points. NQ dipped a little bit further. 121 for a low. Looks like 217. Yeah, 217 for a high. It's a little less than 100 points. Yeah, that's just ridiculous. That just destroys what Twitter was always meant for. Copper, about 100 ticks. Gold fell after hitting 2061, so about 16 points there. Ultra Bond made a new low since I moved this yellow line. About a point in range. Crude oil, a little less than a point in range, and wow, look at natural gas just losing it right there. And wow, natural gas is under 2. Only the second time I've ever seen that. I think it's only the second time it's happened in its entire lifespan. And it's about 100 ticks of range. Bitcoin up to 30.8. That's where we sit and stand. Good evening, Mornio. Yeah, oil's going to go up, but natural gas again plummeting. Let me find my music, and we'll be ready to rock and rumble. We're looking choppy here on the NQ. How's everyone doing today? Huh. I'm not hearing music. There we go. There we go. All right. You're so wait. You're bearish on crude, even though we expect shortage of supply deficit, Mr. G. JC, good morning. Need to find the entry bot. Turn it on. Yesterday was a disaster, and it was a disaster because I didn't trade my plan. I mean, I didn't take trades that weren't in my plan, but I didn't take all the trades that were. Morning, Juan. So we see here we had this big, sharp move down. This was from 74 down to 28, so about 50 points. And that happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. And now we've been kind of choppy since the move back up. It's gained this choppiness, you know, has been effective in the move up. Gained back looks like about, I don't know, I want to say 2/3 back. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, back. So we do have news this morning coming up here in about 23 minutes. That is, and we have news like littering the morning, actually. Absolutely littering. Like if there was a fine for littering, we would all be rich. We have U.S. retail sales at 8:30. We have a Fed speaker at 8:30. We have Canadian manufacturing at 8:30. We have U.S. retail sales year over year at 8:30. At 8:45, we have another Fed speaker. At 9:15, we have U.S. industrial production. And at 10 a.m., we have University of Michigan Sentiment Preliminary. Hey, Matt. How is Matt doing today? And speaking of Matt, because I use his link, I need to put it up. But Apex, 90% off sales started last night. Goes until, I think, the 20th? Is that right, Matt? 20th? 90% off first month, then recurs at 80% if you need it longer. Excuse me one second. Hey, Kevin? So that's the news today. Like I said, every like 15 to 45 minutes we have news. Continuing to rise up. Oh, okay. Okay, G. Well, hope it works out that way for you. I don't know where my chart is. There it is. No, I still don't know where the chart is. Where is it? Oh, there. Where the heck is my ninja chart? Oh, okay. It was hiding down below. There we go. Nice move up. Eh, candle looked bigger than what it was, but still. Still trying to gain back everything it lost earlier, though. I mean, this is just where it pulled back some. The move has really been since up here. Excuse me one second again. Still rising up here. Hello, Chris. Naked Puts, Mr. G. This is a family show. continuing to move up. 5-minute chart giving me a blue candle. I'll have a blue. Oh, watching this move up, you see this was the trigger off the other script, and I'm gonna have to try and start taking these. I think. Well, over the week I'm gonna study just to make sure. But you can see this would have been a nice winner right here. Or 10. Well, maybe not 10 yet. I was shooting for 10. It wouldn't quite got there yet, but it looks like it's coming to. See it? Trying to rise back up to that 74. Rising up. And there, just would have hit profit. Right, taking that. So we'll watch this on the 5. Take a quick look at the 5 minute from yesterday. You would see yesterday would have provided me with 3 trades, and all 3 would have been winners based on my strategy. Boom, 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 and it would have been a total of 90, about 120, 125 points. It would have been a perfect day off the 5 minute yesterday. Now we're just kind of watch and wait. A little bit of a pullback. Pulling back. And It's struggling to get above this area. Can it do it? Can it do it? Can it do it? Huh. I always thought nuclear was considered a sustainable source of energy. Just kind of hanging here, struggling to get above this level. Let's see. Gonna quickly go over to Nightbot to see whether or not I got an Apex thingy set up in there. Should have thought about that last night. Ox. Fast track. Still hanging at this level. Apex, yeah, I can quickly edit that while there's nothing going on. Enable, there we go. Okay, that's done. That is done. As we continue to hang out here. Oh yeah, Robin, aka For Money. Yeah, she's doing awesome. Give me a second, G. For anyone who wants to check out Mr. G's YouTube channel with a lot of good market information. Here it is. And now we're pulling back and under the 20. Yep. Robin is awesome. She's a great trader, great person. Big pullback. That 5-minute not have worked. That would have stopped out. Bounce off the 1 minute though. Yep. Geez. 100% apex. Five minutes till news. I'll turn my bot off, my entry bot off here. When it gets to be about 2 minutes till. Uh, Good question. Can't find where she posted it now. It wasn't yesterday that she posted it. Pretty sure it's in the prop firm. Let me go check general. Yeah, I can't find it. It's somewhere on my Discord. We're talking about you, Robin. Uh, Chris is impressed by your the things you posted about your payouts, and nah, JC wanted to see it, and I can't find the post. Hey, Philip. Good morning. Wow, seems like you're being voted to get a wrench here, Robin. Going back, we got news here in ooh, little whippy in 2.5 minutes. Yep, news coming up, and For Money should now have a wrench, which means she can post links. I saw that. This is an amazing amount of water for a non-tropical system. Yeah, that's just incredible. I can't even imagine that. 1 minute to go. And then we have 45 minutes until the next news after that. $15 to see what this news does. Ooh, boom. That boom wasn't as big of a boom as it looked like. It was like 15 points. Could not get back above that 74 double top that Chris mentioned. At least not yet. Oh, wow. Holy moly. Went from blue to, yeah, blue to red. Down to 137, bouncing back up. Range of this candle, 172 to 137. 35-point range on this candle. Yeah, you can't do pics in here. You would need to send me a picture and then I can show it on screen, or you need to have it uploaded somewhere so you can add the link. Add a link. Being a mod lets you post a link uh, where regular people can't. And we're trying to gain it all back. So we're still chubby. Wow. Nice, Chris. Very nice. And coming back down. I assume you got out of that trade now, right, Chris? We are falling. Not afraid of falling. Got back down to this low down here, this 134 area. Got down in the 134, so kind of a double bottom here. You see we have other support areas, 121 and 127 here. Just falling fast now. Ah, nice. Okay, that purple candle. Entry bot back on. See if it holds. Oops. Nope, did not hold. Back up green. Gotta come back down now. If they only had flying computers, that'll really be good. And rising back up. So got down pretty much double bottomed with this area back here. Kind of looks like a bridge with the. I mean, I wouldn't want to walk across that bridge, but nice, Chris. And hits that 20 EMA or just about hits it and comes back down. Good question, Chris. I find that the market either goes up, down, or sideways. Like the market wants to continue down. I knew what you meant, Chris. And a nice bounce here. See here on the 5 how it's kind of bouncing on that Bollinger. So we are about half an hour till news. You can see the news thing counting down there. The bottom of the screen. U.S. industrial production in 31 minutes. Well, 32 minutes. The reminder set to go off 1 minute before news. Because if it goes off right as the news hits, it doesn't really help. Yeah, don't give in the FOMO there, Chris. It's take a breather. It is struggling to get through this level. Yes, that works. Robin, everyone wants to see what Robin's taken from Apex over the last couple months. Click the link. Only a cool 17,000. Pushing down error the market. We had a new we're at new daily low coming up on the 100 EMA on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's not as weak. Ultra bond. Oh, Ultra bond's also been heading down since the news. So is Musk panicking with constantly driving these sales, or were the cars overpriced to begin with? Little pop down to 107. That's our lows of yesterday. Oh, yeah, we got a ways to go before we give back everything from yesterday. Yesterday, all my candles seem so far away. Trading seemed like such an easy game to play. Those were the days. Yes, this is the real ox. Don't be fooled by imitators. I reported that fake account to Discord, and Discord was absolutely no help. No help at all. Discord was, thank you for bringing this issue to our attention. If you share any servers with the user, I recommend talking with your server admin about this situation. For them appropriate, moderate this user. Additionally, if possible, you may contact the user asking them to stop or block them so they can no longer contact you. That wasn't the problem. Problem is using my name to try and fool people into crypto scams. Idiots. Hanging around 115 here. We're getting a purple candle here. Extended to the downside. Not feeling it, but we'll let it go. if it goes. Got 45 seconds. So you remember, folks, if you're on Discord, oh, that candle went away. If you're on Discord, I will never send you a private message or a friend request without first asking you for permission to do so. And I will never try and convince you to do anything crypto-wise. And keep trying to pop back up. Excuse me one sec. Absolutely. Yep. Join my Telegram and obviously, my WhatsApp. I do not use biometrics for my phone. Trying to send me this purple candle. Oh, we're in. Wow, we're in quick. It's a 6-point stop, so a 10-point target. Caught me by surprise. Coming back up on me. Yep. And today's going to start like yesterday ended. Maybe. Maybe. Come on, beat it down. Beat it down. Beat it down. Beat down. Beat down. I had to beat him down. Yeah, I did not like this entry. This was a kind of a outlier in this move up. Let's see if it wants to come down for me though. Yep. Sideways on a one-way street. Come on, push it down. There we go. There's some red. There we go. Come on, baby. 3 more points. 3 more points. That's all I need. What was the bottom of that candle? 107.75. Needs to make a new low by 1 tick in order to hit my target. Hey, Ace. Come on, 3 more points. That's all I'm asking. Is 3 points a lot? No. There we go. Target hit. Like I said, I love the look of that trade right from the beginning. Just kidding. 10-point winner there. Chalk that one up. Give it its purple. Boom. Nope. There was a part of me that wanted to move the target up to where the low, where it hit, which would have been only moving it up like 1 tick, but I left it go. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Ace. Hopefully moving in the right direction today. Thank you, JC. Thank you, Kevin. And we're popping back up. So it got down to what? 101. And a quick pop. And you know what they say, once you pop, can't stop. Top of the hour in 3 minutes. News in about 18 minutes. If you're enjoying today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're not enjoying today's stream, well, I apologize for that. Still hit that like button. Hey, Crypticon. So is anyone here a Trading with Travis watcher? Anyone know what happened to him? I noticed he hasn't like done a live stream in like 2 weeks. No, he's another prop firm trader, and he's a good guy. Apparently, he only trades micros. He's come in here a couple of times. One time he accidentally started a donation fest. He like donated $4, and then like three other people donated that day, and ended up being like $150 day. My best donation day ever. Ah, okay. I didn't even realize he had a Discord. Just notice when other streamers are absent, because my numbers go up. Excuse me 1 second. Hey, Speed Racer, how's it going? Coulda, shoulda, woulda, Chris. But remember, that's not good. At least that's what my trading coach says. Sorry, Nick, didn't mean to call you a bot. What did crude do at its open? Let's take a gander. Crude's all choppy. Nothing special there. Seeing where we go from here. Market's taking a breath. Candle's kind of fluctuating with the auxiliary script. Nope. Nothing sustained so far. Back down. Trying to get back below that 20. So break back below. Remember, we got news again in 8 minutes. Uh, no, the Nightbot is free. They probably have a paid version. I didn't look, but now it's free. The one I use. I'm a cheap box. If I can get something free, I will. Although, honestly, well, once I have more money, I don't mind paying for quality stuff. It's just I don't have money. Yeah, just about. Probably, yeah, a little less for the 50K. Excuse me. So, watching 5-minute chart showing me a bearish golfing. Yeah, just remember there are fees after you get funded. You know, if you pass, there's the setup fee or whatever, but still, yeah, it's a good deal. I know the market's kind of choppy. Choppy, 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 choppy. 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 I'm saying choppy in 20 different ways. I should learn how to say choppy in 20 different languages. But I can barely speak English, so you know. You know, you know, I, right now money's too tight for me to even think about that. But the problem is that you end up passing 20 accounts, and then you need like a couple of grand to pay for the fees afterwards. Oh I absolutely agree. I mean, excuse me. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, man. That's constantly building up. Because it's not like this is going to be the last time Apex runs this sale or any sale. Matter of fact, they've been pretty much running a constant sale of 80% off or better for the last 6 weeks. They say that probably announce no more sales till Black Friday or something. Excuse me, 1 second. Back, guys. Still not really getting anything I like here. You know, I have considered that, and I don't know. I mean, I've thought about it. Just, I mean, I could do that with like two apexes, absolutely. Or even, well, yeah. Yeah, the only thing with, I mean, maybe it'd be better with Bullnox. The only thing with Apex, I always thought, watch me go long one or short on the other, and they both get like, one goes like to within a couple ticks of target, and then goes back down. The other one does the same, and they both blow the trailing drawdown. uh, Matt, don't they monitor that only in the PA accounts? Like they don't care what you do in the evals? They get funded. That's what he was talking about, doing just in evals and then trading the strat and funded. 1 minute till news. Now we have more news in 45 minutes after this one. Hey, I'm mad. Not much. Missed one. I've gotten one win so far, but Marco's been kind of chubby. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Apex doesn't care how you pass the eval, which is kind of weird. And this news did absolutely nothing so far. So, boom. U.S. industrial production month over month 0.4. Forecast was 0.2, so that was a beat. If I had the money, I would start a prop firm. That's the real way to really make money. And we're stuck between this 20 and 100, 20 and 100 sandwich. Yeah, the earn a trade account that I have that I passed, that was a 75K, which they've now gotten rid of. I always thought the 50K was a little bit, small. 75K was like perfect, but I mean, if it wasn't such a huge amount, the bigger accounts are probably better, but it's like finding that right. Getting here up to the 100 EMA or the 20 on the 5. Yeah, Chris, that's why I keep encouraging you to maybe set up an appointment with Nick. As I can tell, you can be successful. Bouncing off the 100 again. Pulling back. It's always been my thought that I would, you know, when I get to withdrawal period, like keep half in, withdraw half, or whatever is available for withdrawal. Keep building it up. Because if my strategy is successful with one, there's no reason it can't be successful with 5 or 10 contracts. Just need the account size to be able to bear that. Yeah, but Nick, if I get to where I can start withdrawing and I don't withdraw at least some, there's gonna be a point in time where I'm gonna have to stop trading because gonna need to just focus more on making money from other sources. Um, you know, I figured out how to hang on through various methods for quite a while, but you know, I used to get paid to stream basically. I had sponsorships and stuff. I've had obviously affiliate sales, but most of that's gone away now. Exception of a few affiliate sales and all that. And I just can't keep making it work. That if I, that's why I've been, putting more stress on myself. Probably when I got close to funding with this, yeah, I'm screwing myself. But at some point, it's either I'm gonna have to make a choice. Do I continue trading or do I go try and go back to working on the stuff that makes me money and n- not being able to do both well because I need to concentrate on one or the other. And like I've said, I don't need a lot. If I got $1,000 a month, I would be that would cover what I need to be able to concentrate on trading for the most part. Kind of even more than I'm doing now. But just getting to that point. I used to trade on a platform called ShareVision. I stream on a platform called ShareVision. Sorry, in the evenings, and they were paying me $50 a stream. And then it went down to $40, but that went away. And for a couple months, I had a sponsor on here for 1,000 a month. But now all I get is YouTube, which is about $1.10 a day. Sometimes 50 cents a day, depends on the day. We're getting a blue candle here. We're butting right. Oh, well, we're in. It butted right up against that 100 EMA, which I don't like. 5 minutes from the bell. But it's only a 3-point stop. We're going to do a 6-point target here. See what happens. I'm off by 1 tick. There we go. Okay. See if we can get through this 100 EMA. These are trades I hate. And if I see this when backtesting, I don't take this trade on the backtest. Four minutes to the bell. Sorry, I thought I turned on this chart. There we go. The other thing is I should probably plot that 100 EMA on the NinjaTrader chart, so I'm not sure I really need it. Now I am. I thought I hit the button to show the trade, and then but it didn't go. Now I am. Choppy here. And yes, this is a very small stop only because I normally I would go with just with a 5-point stop, but it was so close to the bell and I didn't want to take that trade. Then we're out of that trade. So gave back 3 points. 3 1/4. And I turn off the entry bot for the open. I hate that. The bell should not sneak up from us around the corner. No. Yep. Just over a minute to the bell, then just over 30 minutes till the next news report. Yeah, there's news coming up at the top of the hour, Crypt. Who's buying the Russian crude? Oh, ding. Nope, not ding yet. They finally broke that 100. Ding 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 ding. I don't know enough to say, G. Ring a ding dong. Just trying to rise back up. Coming out of the gate well. To 153. And back down. All the way back down. Bounces off the 20 and the 100 and back up. Back up. Big candles, big candles. No whammies, no whammies. Oh, sorry. Down to, back down to the 20. Interesting down wicks. And we're getting a blue candle. Well, the entry bot not turned on yet. I don't turn it on until at least 5 minutes after. But it's something I need to start studying, like I said yesterday. Back down to the 20 and the 100, which are kissing, I might add. We are all chuppa. I've heard of fat and happy, never flat and happy. Big candle. Pushing up. Excuse me. 100 EMA is sitting at 13,162 on the 5. Touched it earlier a couple times and went down. Well, once. There's the hit of the 100 on the 5. It's trying to get back above this wick of the news candle, and it does. Back up to that 174 where we've topped a couple of times, mainly there. See if I can break 174. Excellent, patient. Yeah, got within 3 ticks of your target. Trying again. Again, within 3 ticks of your target. There you go. Trying to get back up to 13,200. Getting close. $195, $196. $199. Oh, that hit 200. Pull back. It tickled 200. Got up to 13,275. ES up to 41.79. By the way, that reversal strat I'm looking at that I haven't executed at all yet, that I'm still just getting numbers on. You can see here that on the 5-minute blue candle way back here, wick well into the almost near that third band. This would have been an excellent
Excellent play.
Excellent. Excellent.
Struggling here around right under 200. Got a 7.5 point pullback here, down to 13,190, so 10 point total. Climbs right back up. Touches 200 again, 201. Yep, struggles with it again. That's mostly what I do, patient. Although I do sometimes, like right here, I wouldn't take these blue candles. Now, I was also excluding anything in no man's land between the 20 and the 100, but I seen that was actually costing me trades, so I try and follow the trend of the 20 when I'm in between those two EMAs. But like I don't ever take the blue candles below the 20, and I don't ever take the purple candles above the 20. Oh, there's 210 that Chris talked about. Well, 208, 209. There's 210. The 214. We're going to all-time highs. Not kidding around, but we are. Well, yesterday's high was 228. ES though is above yesterday's high. ES is above. Wow. ES is above the highs from. Oops, I put the wrong chart. Yeah, that looks ugly. Let's try ES daily chart. ES hasn't been this high since February 16th. So almost 2 months ago. Now, yeah, that's what I'm. Basically what I am doing. You can see here is since we're just going to go to all-time highs. Kidding. Uh, but I got the 220 that Chris talked about. If you look back yesterday, these are my charted out trades yesterday. You can see, with trend. This is the only one. This was a no. This was between the 20 and the 100, but it actually worked. But with trend. Just basically all these are just taking the long candles. Um, this isn't one that did not work. This was one between the 20 and the 100. So 1 for 2 on that one. But with trend, against trend, but it would have worked. With trend, with trend, but for some reason I didn't give it a purple. Boom. Oh, I know why I didn't give it a purple. This choppiness, and then a couple of losses toward the end, and then with trend. That's basically how I do it now. I don't ever take an against trend trade when it's above the 20 or below the 20. Sometimes I will if it's in between the 20 and the 100. Oops. And we're up to 223. The only signal I got this entire move up was like right after the bell where I didn't take, and it wasn't even it was my backup. I shouldn't say my auxiliary script that I got to look at, see if I need to start taking more. But still, is where I don't normally take trades for within 5 minutes of the bell or 10 minutes of the bell. That's the only time I've got a signal. Obviously, it was a very good signal. Yeah, I figured it was when I saw what the entry of the next candle was. So yeah, over the weekend I'm gonna. I've been hesitant because my entry bot doesn't take the ones that don't change color. So I'm more hesitant on those because it was a sec. I only added the secondary script because my primary script it's coded wrong somehow and it doesn't actually send alerts like that alert. So I added this just to get the alerts, and then I saw it sent more signals, and I backtest them together, both with and without the color coding. But I don't feel as confident with these, but I probably should. So this weekend I'll be backtesting just to see what these extra ones do, just so I can start utilizing them more if it looks like it's good. We got up to 230. So that is higher than yesterday's high, right? Yeah, we got a little above yesterday's high. Yesterday's gone. Yesterday's gone. but also still considering just moving to the 5 minute chart as well. It's been a thought in my mind. So this is never going to stop going up, apparently. Wow. Someone just said on the Discord that Apex paid out $1.9 million just in the last pay period. Wow. Look at this continuing to go. 213, 246. The other thing I found that I need to test is that I like trigger candles that form closer to the EMA than far away from the EMA. Now, but a lot of them far away do still work. But a bigger trigger candle far away from the EMA makes me scared because it usually, I shouldn't say usually, it appears in my mind at least at this point. Like I said, I got to test it. That they often fail. Uh, how high is the NQ gonna rise? We're rising up. Remember, we have another bit of news coming up at the top of the hour. I'll be right back. We have found the top. A little bit of a grind back down. 13,246 quarter. Back down by about 12. 13. Another try up though. Another try. Yeah, I still think the Fed's going to do a quarter point in May. I mean, unless something else comes out or something else happens between now and then. Well, another new high day, so wasn't ready to give it up. Up to 13,251. Yep. Couple minutes till news. And I don't get the feeling that, you know, we're gonna come crashing down in the afternoon. So curious now. This is the secondary script sending me that bullish candle there. Don't think it would have got where I expected it, you know, or wanted to. 223 would be the stop. Entry would be 13,236. Looking for 2 to 1, so looking for 70, not 2 to 1, 1.5 to 1. There, close. There. 1 minute till news. See if that ends up getting from there. News in 30 seconds. Coming back down. Another thing I want to test. I have so many things I want to test. Another thing I want to test though is like when it starts getting extended like this, is it better to go to a 1R instead of 1.5? 1R we would have got this win, and I would feel more comfortable taking a trade. There's the news. There's all kinds of whippy. Let's see if we got the numbers. Got the numbers. University of Michigan.
Sentiment preliminary 63.5, but forecast was 62.1. So that was a beat. We got the beat. We got the beat. Interesting. The University of Michigan 1-year inflation preliminary at 4.6, expected 3.7. That's interesting. Big move down here. Big purple candle. And that would be. Yeah. Uh, Chris, patient is not a prop trader. He's trades his own account. That's what I think is cool about this community is that we do have a good mixture of people that trade prop versus people that trade their own account, and there's some people that do both. Like, so I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, we're bouncing back up. Oh crap! Well, the purple candle, that's a big. I mean, if it's a blue candle, I really hate this trade. I didn't even think about the fact that it was going to take this trade. Oh boy. This is a big stop. 23 points. This does not have another 30 points in it. I've I chickened out on that trade. I'm gonna be honest. Of course, watch this go now. But I did not like that trade. This extended up that big blue candle. That was a like I said, it was a 23-point stop. Ah man, watch it go now. It's been a bad week, and I didn't want to make it worse. And Nick's like slapping his head right now. So let's move this one away. Uh, well, that's basically what my trade would have been as well. Patient trader. You should have said that before I exited the trade. No, that's wrong. Yeah, my target would have been 274 based on the 1.1 and a half. I know. I was kidding. Patient. On there. Awesome, John. Good luck. Definitely let us know Monday how that works out. Kareem, what did you do? Oh, awesome. Congratulations, Kareem. Looks like I was smart to get out of that trade. So it would not have stopped me out yet. That's, yeah, whatever. Oh, I know. I was joking, patient, when I said that. I I would never make a decision based on someone else. Yep, mine would have stopped out. So that would have totally destroyed my week if I had actually let that trade play out. Because that would have been a $440 loss. Crypticon, have you turned over a new leaf? Are you trading micros now? Wow, big move down here. So we got up to 55, pulled down the, oh, we're back down to 200. So in a matter of 5 minutes, we've fallen 50, 60 points. Quick, quick fall. Quick fall McGraw. Nice script. That was a pretty quick turn on a dime there. YM. Oh, yeah. Boom. Dow dropping harsh. Dow's down over 200 points over the last 20 minutes. NQ just broke the 100.
Thank you, Nick. Yeah, honestly, it was me forgetting to turn off the entry bottleneck. Because I was like, I heard order filled, and I'm like, oops. I had turned off all the sounds on NinjaTrader back when I was running the algos, because the algos, you would sometimes hear 20 order filled. And I was smart enough to turn them back on so I don't like get caught by surprise. Bouncing on the 100. Getting a purple. It's a very small purple candle here. 20 seconds. Hey, Jake. Oh, purple candle went away. See if it comes back. Nope. Maybe. Nope. How's it going, Jake? Popping up. Uh, what's the tracking say, Jake? Another purple candle. Right above the 100. Went away again. Back up. Crawling back down. Chop City, USA. Oh, wow. Really, Jake? That's not... Yeah, that's not good. Nope. Did not trigger there. Yeah, FedEx is the worst of the four. Although I feel like they've all went down in quality in the last few years. Now bouncing on that 100 again. Yeah, getting a purple candle again. But this chop up, it went away again. Purple candle, Ventavia. See the big purple candle over there on the 5 minute. That was a 71 point candle. Now we're breaking the 100. Remember, we broke it though about 10 minutes ago. Got down to 168. Then bounced. And there's the break finally. How much of that big move up is it going to get back? Big fall. So we came down harsh to here to the 100, consolidated, and finally broke the 100 and continuing down. Trying to bounce a little bit here though. Yep, quick drop from VWAP. VWAP, VWAP. Cut up, purple candle. Purple candle alert. 10 seconds to go, too. This one's going to hold. It didn't go. Ah. Okay, now we're in. 48. This could be bad. This is a big one. Getting out the drawing tool here. I set it up for what I think is close. $1.5. Apply. Okay. Ooh, not even close. Well, there. Needs to get down to 123.25. There we go. Let's see if we drop. Looking for 25 points here. Come on. One more leg down. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Come on. Push. Someone go in and short like 1,000 NQ contracts, please, and thank you. Come on. Need 15 more points. It doesn't want to break 138 here, 139. Coming back up to my entry. Now the other script sent me another bullish engulfing there. You know, I could reduce my risk by moving the stop. I'm not going to at this point. I got a bad feeling. Yep.
Hey, Sid. Pushing down. Back to that 139. Can it break? Still struggling at 139. There's a break. 137. 136. Looking for 123 half. 135 on the bid. Here's 132. Come on. Push down for me. Beautiful. Come on. Still need 10 more points. 33. 35. Come on. 34. 33. Ah, back up to 40. Come on. Come back down. Oh, back up to my entry. My stop's now above the 20. Ah. Consolidating here. Sideways over the last few minutes. Back to red on the trade. There we go. More red. Come on. Don't use my entry as support. Nah. I was 10 points from target. Now I'm 10 points from stop. Oh, there we go.
Purple candle. Purple nurple. A nice strong candle here. 12 points. I don't think FedEx will care, Jake. Purple candle also forming on the 5. There we go. There's a move down. Oh, crap. It just... Oh, my God. It just doubled my trade. I didn't realize it would do that. You know what? The stop on 1 is right above the entry on 1, so I'm just going to let it go. Mental note about entry bot. Okay, I closed them. Did what I was told. So I got a little win out of that. If it goes to my profit target now, I'm going to be really upset. The stop on the 1 was literally 2 points, so I stayed very calm throughout that and was managing it. I hit the close button to close trades. I'm not even sure how to like scale. I mean, I probably could think about it if I wanted to, but scaling out is not my thing. So living la vida loca there, Crypticon. That I didn't freeze up. I use a close button all the time. I never use a buy market or sell market to get out of a trade. No, I was just kind of surprised there for a second, not realizing that like I swear that there's been other times I've been in trades where a second candle's formed and it didn't enter. So I was like surprised.
I'm almost sure that in the past it hasn't entered a second trade because we even debate about whether I should move my stop to the next trigger candle. So that was weird. Once again, that trade was up over $400, and I only got like I don't even know what I got out of it. Oh yeah, so I took a loss on that second one. Entry was 131, close was 137, so I got like nothing out of that trade. Now, after this week of going backwards, I'm back to thinking about whether or not I should even continue this trading thing. No, I honestly I judge all your trades too. No, I'm kidding around. I never did get down to my target. Got within 2 points of my original target, but I ended up taking a loss on the second one, which totally negated almost any amount on my first one. Because that's how it always goes, Nick. You know, I've had three great weeks in the past. You know, Top Step. Back when I was doing Top Step, I had 3 wonderful weeks, and then I gave it all back. So my original entry was this candle. Well, I should say this was this candle with this stop, right? Yeah. So let's mark that out. I actually had to stop off by 2 ticks on mine. 165.75. 165.75? Yeah, 165.75. Entry 148. Oops. 71. 105? Okay, that was pretty close. Yeah. So I actually had my target at 123 on the first one. It says it should have been 120, 121. And there's target hit. So if I had stayed in the trade, both would have hit target. And I would have made back everything that I had lost this week. Right, it it would have been a nice trade, Chris. It wasn't because I closed it out, but it would have been a nice trade. Nice pop up. So I am not going to take any more trades for the rest of the stream. Total for the day, green by. I really need to add the commission script to this Blue Sky account. That way I don't have to do math. Looks like $20 in commissions. At least that was easy math. 190 green for the day. Take a gander here at my trades. Because I have no idea what the actual result of that last conglomerate of trades was. Conglomerate, big word. Okay, so it looks like on one trade I made 210, and on one trade I lost 130. Oh, there's more math. So that was an 80. It ended up being an $80 trade instead of the approximately. Well, I had my target set at 23. So about $480 instead of $80. Not including the second one, which also would have hit target for 10. So that could have been a almost $600 trade. Instead, though, for the week, let's go take a look at my Blue Sky stats. Blue Sky. Let's see, this week. Oh, full screen. Where's my calculator? I have all these things that I have set on top of everything. There's my calculator. So 514 Monday and everything looked great. 192 Tuesday, 248 minus 539. No, that's wrong. 514 plus 248 plus 190 minus 192 minus 539. So I'm still green on the week by 221. Was as up as much as 2,300 on the account. Gonna finish today right near up 1,500. So I've gone backwards by about 800 from the high. That rain of milk sounds disgusting. Even though I'm carnivore, I'm not really into milk. Well, because milk has a lot of sugar in it naturally.
this could have been so much better of a week, though. And that's what's frustrating. I mean, I'm not much further to my goals than where I started the week at. Whereas if I had cut myself off on Tuesday and cut myself off on Wednesday when I was up big, I would be funded now. I'm just I'm just tired of the struggle and the worries all the time. And every time I think it's getting close, I screw up somehow. I've asked my coder to make that strategy for me, that automated strategy. It only takes winning trades, and he keeps refusing. Keeps that to himself. Jake, it was a joke. No one can code anything that only takes winning trades. Uh, if anyone figured out a way to code something that only takes winning trades, they ain't selling that. They keeping that for themselves. Uh, so I'm curious of this candle on the 5. This is one of my struggles with the 5. Technically, this is a trigger candle, but this would have required a 71-point stop. And obviously for 2x. So I've been thinking about, like I said, I've been thinking about switching to the 5. And then huge candles like that going for 1R, but that wouldn't even reach 1R yet. The thing is I I wouldn't be frustrated this week if like it was just a bad market week. If but obviously uh I haven't charted out today yet. But I look over the spreadsheet, and before today, if you over the last 4 days, just during the 3 hours of the stream, I should be up 200 points. 58 points Monday, 42 Tuesday, 107 Wednesday, 63 on Thursday. So even though my green days, I didn't execute nearly as well as I should have. Chris, we're kind of choppy here, and I'm looking at this, and I'm seeing this 100 EMA sitting here, and as soon as it starts turning around on that 100 EMA, I'm thinking it's coming back down. I do know there's one of the discrepancies in my stats is it includes the triggers from the secondary script that I'm not taking most of I'm not sure I've taken any of them. So that's part of it. So I need to get that figured out this weekend.
That would have been a trigger candle if I still had the the trigger bot on. Watch it work. Ooh, okay. That moved right as I was trying to do it. Wow, I got both numbers perfect. 30s to 45. Yeah, that would have worked. That would have been a great trigger right there. It earned its purple. This one earned its purple. Chris, again, talk to Nick. Yeah, you are up over 1,000, weren't you, Chris? Have you thought about? And again, I'm not a professional, nor do I claim to be, but sizing down once you're up, so you're padding the wallet without risking everything. No, limping into the end of the week. Chris. Yes, yes, I did, Sid. Thank you. I'm not. I mean, I just.
Uh, I need to stop showing my frustration as much as I do on stream. No one wants to hear me complain. Five minutes all choppy. No, it's not that, Sid. I mean, I just, and yeah, it's an overreaction on my part. It's just, I expected better from this week. So much better. And it just, so many times in my life, I've gotten close to goals, and then something comes along and wrecks it. Not just in trading, but just about everything. So when I see myself getting close to that goal, and then seeming like everything is going wrong, missing targets by 2 points, and then taking full stops and going backwards and messing with the my trailing stop, which makes it harder and all that other stuff. I just see the same patterns of my entire life repeating, and I immediately go really negative mindset, not just because of trading, but life overall. Wait, Chris, did you win or lose there? I'm confused, Chris, by that. Was that a win or a loss? Took 10, another 600. I don't done, and then, damn it, I can't tell if that's a win or a loss. Okay, good. I was worried. Now walk away, Chris. It's Friday. Go find something fun to do. So, gonna wrap up here for the week, guys. I want to thank everybody for being here. We'll be back Monday to continue the fight.
Not sure if next week's going to be a better week or a worse week in terms of the fact that we don't have any huge news next week, I don't think. Let me go quick. I'll take a quick look. New York Fed manufacturing. Canadian CPI. I don't think anyone cares about how many moose there, how much moose has increased in price. Canadian PPI. Jobless claims. Eurozone consumer confidence. Well, that was rude. Here looking at it and automatically scroll back up. And like S&P services flash on Friday, but nothing like this week. I appreciate it, everybody. I really do. Hope you have a great weekend, guys, and we'll talk Monday. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.